Hello. Welcome back to the 3Rivers Market Report. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams. And we've got a lot of up arrows this week. Ups definitely win. Active available listings, which this is important. I want to give a little information on along with the data. Active available listings are homes that are available for sale. Which we've been really short on inventory the last 3 to 5 years. Last 3, it's been really low, like the lowest in history. So active available homes for sale are up 1% week over week, up 54% year over year. New listings, which are new homes that come on the market that are available for sale, are up 10% week over week, up 38% year over year. And solds are always important, especially after last year being so down. Last year kind of showed us what the bottom number is going to be and what minimum demand is in that housing recession. And solds were week over week down 22%, but up 18% year over year. Pendings were up 19% week over week and up 26% year over year. And pendings are what we call under contract, or a home that has an accepted offer, under contract, in escrow, or pending is what we refer to them as, because they have an offer that's accepted between the buyer and seller, and it's just processing through inspections and appraisals. Median sale price was $244,600, which is showing 13.4% appreciation from last year. Days on market came in 30 average, 6 median, and that's about on line with what it was last year at this time when it was 29 and 6. And why that's important is the speed of the market. And why you want to know the median is the average can get thrown off by outliers. And average right now is being thrown off by a lot of new builds that just sit on the market for a while because builders will put them up sometimes, especially in the higher end price ranges, and they can sit there for 400 days and skew the number a little bit. 6 is about right. You know, homes, if you price it right, get it on the market, set it up right, stage it right, make sure it's all good to go, you're going to sell it within 6 days right now. Homes sold in the last 12 months came in at 4,295 versus last year at this time 4,897, but it's still climbing upward, but showing down 12.3% versus last year. And on the demand aspect, we still, with as low of inventories we still have, compared to our listings to homes sold, we have about 5.9 buyers per listing. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.